Python random unique values from two non-overlapping ranges. As title says, 100 random unique values from two ranges, or to be more accurate, there is one range and a subrange that is excluded from valid values. Example: have a range from 0 to 10,000, random 100 numbers that are not in range 10 to 20. Requirements: the subrange can be at the very beginning or at the very end. Memory overhead to absolute minimum. Randomization as close to random.shuffle as possible. I know random.samples range 0,10000. 100 gives 100 unique values. Setup: I would store three values: start, end, total. Start equals start of subrange, end equals end of subrange, total equals the length of the range. Best I can come up with. Is this true random pseudorandom, or am I affecting it in any way?
This works until over 2 billion, easily beating the required upper limit of the number of Wikipedia English Wikipedia pages, so whatever many million that is smile. After that it gets overflow error column Python it too large to convert to csize_t. I see no spike in memory usage of my PC and the result is instant. This is using Python 3, obviously.
Another answerer earlier had a pretty cool idea of concatenating ranges together into a single sequence class. The code had some issues, but I managed to make a version that seems to work with random.sample. Obviously this class isn't perfect, but my only goal was to solve the problem with random.sample using a minimum memory footprint. In Python 2.x, range should be used instead of range.
Just a slight variation of the original. Try the following function.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.